learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是練習小 Joseph Lin. And this month, we're teaching you a scenario where you're going to ask a stranger, maybe for directions, maybe for help. And we would always say, excuse me, can you help me? Okay? 请問一下。
請問一下。
請問一下 That actually means, can you answer a question? I have a question. Okay? 通常可能也是不好意思請問一下會連在一起了哦。And then the person might answer 有什麼事 which means, what do you need?
有嘛嘅事情？
有嘛嘅事情。好，我们在外头啊，通常都会问路人，如果要问路的话啦，银行在哪里啦？捷运站在哪里啊？
邮局在哪？
对，我也常常被问，可是我其实对那个地区也不熟。
路痴。
A lot of times when you're looking for directions, you just ask someone on the street, assuming that there's someone from that area. A lot of times I get asked, but I'm not from that area. I'll be like, oh, I'm sorry. But usually we do that. And so let's say you want to find out where's the nearest post office. 要问说邮局怎么走？
邮局。
邮局 that's 邮局 that's a post office.
樣板行。
樣板行。
邮局樣板行。
郵局樣板行，所以樣板行就是怎麼去走啊？所以怎麼套用？你要說學校怎麼走也是樣板行，然後要銀行怎麼走也是樣板行。
對
Okay, 樣板行 means where, how can I get there? Okay, but 郵局 that is post office. 郵局。好，那捷運站呢？我要問捷運站的話 ，MRT station。
捷運站。
捷運站。哦，這個是最近大家常會問的，因為捷運站越來越多了，對不對？新的捷運站怎麼走都不知道。Okay, that's an MRT. Or you just want to ask this person, where's the nearest bank? 這附近有沒有銀行？
附近。
附近 that means nearby.
有銀行嗎？
哦，有銀行嗎？銀行就是銀行。
銀行。
Okay.
那海陸腔的銀行叫銀行。
銀行 that's a different dialect of saying the bank. So that whole phrase again, asking where's the nearest bank? 附近有銀行嗎？附近有銀行嗎？附近有銀行嗎？ Okay. Once again, let's review some of these vocabulary. 郵局 post office. 郵局 the MRT. 捷運站 and finally, the whole Q&A is 請問一下有什麼事？請問一下有乜嘅事情？請問一下有乜嘅事情？ That means I have a question and what do you need? That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只係張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.